last thing I remember recording on this camera is when we first got to Arizona and we're like, yeah, we're in Arizona and we're gonna show you all the fun things we're gonna do in Arizona. And then we didn't really do anything in Arizona. I think it's because we got really tired. Anyway, we've been sprinting for a year nonstop on the road, all of these adventures, and I think we just ran out of steam. So the past couple of months in Arizona, we haven't really been exploring much. We've kind of just been chilling, laying low key, and recovering a little bit. But we are super, super, super excited that we're going to California, and we're ready to pick up where we left off. Time to stop for some snacks and to pee. Sometimes it's scary opening this after traveling. Let's do grapefruit and not a margarita. Get a Z for Beth. Hello.
Hi.
What you doing?
Eating some lunch I just heated up. Which is like the coolest part of RV life is you can pull over at a gas station, turn on the stove, heat up some lunch.
I made a sandwich. And I'm probably gonna make some pre-pre.
And then sit on your own bed and eat it.
Ooh, we could take a nap. No.
I'd love to take a nap. We're gonna have to do some switching of this antenna.
In case you're wondering, this is what travel day actually looks like. Just a lot of cords and stuff piled everywhere.
So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one
And
gets old.
this is home for the next 2 weeks. We were supposed to go grocery shopping, but we're back in Pacific time and it's 5 o'clock and it feels like 8 o'clock and all we want to do is eat and go to bed. Look how pretty the sunset is behind us.
Is that the sunset?
Yeah.
No, that's not the sunset, babe.
What is it?
That's a camper.
Oh, with our taillights reflecting?
Yeah. We need to get her some food.
I don't have my faraway glasses on either.
Here we go.
We'll tell them what we're getting for food.
Well, I'm about to run out of air, so maybe we can tell them when we arrive.
We're going to get tacos, but we'll turn on the air before Beth dies.
I might suffocate.
Oh my God.
All right. Let's go get some tacos.
I don't think I meant to do this. This is a lot of food.
Baby, I ate too much of the burrito.
Will a present make you happy?
Yeah?
Whoa.
Baby, whatever could these be?
Oh, I don't know. If only you knew exactly what they were.
If only I knew. What a good way to celebrate a travel day. Pajamas? For me?
Babe. Babe.
My belly hurts. I ate too much burrito. It's like I picked them out. Like they're the perfect pair. So this is not going to seem very exciting at first.
Okay.
But open that. Well, say what it says on the outside.
It says number 1, Thursday, 8 p.m.
Okay.
Set an alarm for 10:30 a.m. tomorrow morning.
That's it.
Okay.
Now you can open the second one.
Gift number 2. Let the record know. It's 9:44, and Court told me to open it early.
Yeah. I'm not really good with time. Wait, you have to open the card on the outside first. Don't look at that yet. No, don't look at that.
This?
Yeah, no, put that one back. Leave that one in. Put the paper on top. Find the lid of the box.
Oh, it's a card.
Yeah.
Man, that was confusing. What packet?
Well, I guess you're gonna find out now because you saw them in the wrong order.
Time to pack. Pack a bag with the checklist items in the box. This one?
Yes.
2 night on the town outfits, bathing suit and sunblock. Baby, my eyebrows are microbladed. I can't go in the sun. PJs, 2 comfortable but cool outfits. Shorts, comfy walking shoes, makeup, shower stuff, sups, massage gun, snacks and water, toothbrush, and Vax card. Yeah. Where are we going?
Well, you get to open the third one after you pack, so we gotta pack first.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
What do you think the surprise is?
I don't know. Any guesses?
We're going somewhere that we have to bring our own shower stuff and our own food. So maybe a cabin in the woods? Did you buy us a cabin in the woods? Number 3. After we're packed. Now we gas up and hit the road. Go pee. We have a 2.5-hour drive ahead. Now plug this address. We're going to San Diego? What? Babe, this is like the heist of a lifetime.
I know.
What the heck?
Close your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you.
We're on the road. The lighting's terrible. What do you know so far?
Here's the last thing I opened. It says, get ready for a 2.5-hour drive. Go pee, let's get gas, and we're going to this address. And where was that address? San Diego.
'Cause we're out, California. I long to wrap my arms around you. Wanna love and renew you. Do all the things we used to do. Feel my toes in the sand, let my hair in the wind. I feel the love that we once shared. Here we come, California. Come and bring us back to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life.
What's happening?
I just have to go into this 7-Eleven real quick. So you keep yourself occupied, don't get us towed, and you can just record a direct-to-camera on yourself on how you're feeling.
I'm so confused.
Yeah. BRB.
What a shady thing. What is she going to 7-Eleven for? And that particular 7-Eleven. I'm pretty confused right now. We just drove 2.5 hours to end up at a 7-Eleven in downtown San Diego. This makes 0 sense. What are we doing? Are we trying drugs?
Hi. So now you open this.
I'm so confused. It's a key to somewhere.
Okay, now open the next card.
Are we Airbnb somewhere? Open the black box, take it to 707 10th Avenue. This is f***ing crazy, but awesome.
There's a lot of cameras happening. I'm gonna stop now.
All right, here we go. What the? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Is this our first Airbnb?
Yeah.
We're in downtown San Diego?
Yeah,
And I can see Clinton from here.
Pretty cool. cool.
Number 5, once you've arrived. Welcome to your getaway for the weekend. Hot showers, room to breathe, and walking distance to everything. Now we unpack and set an alarm for 4:30. Number 6, Friday at 4:30. Get dressed and get hungry. We're going out to eat. Oh, and one more thing, set an alarm for 7:45. We have somewhere to be. Where are we going?
Can't tell you.
Wonder what we're doing.
How
Fun!
What you doing?
Guess I'm getting ready to party.
Woo! And we can get ready at the same time in the same bathroom, which is crazy.
Unheard of.
Happy anniversary.
Cheers to you, babe.
What do we do now?
Go to sleep.
What are your next instructions?
We gotta get in the car by 7:15.
And then you'll have another envelope to open. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't fall asleep now. Okay, is there a card on the outside? What's it say?
It says number 7, Friday at 7:45 p.m.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
Time to hop in the truck and put on this eye mask. It's only a few minutes. I'll put on some good jams for you. LOL.
Okay, look in the bag.
The heck? Yeah.
I figured
we're
that.
partying tonight.
I figure that'll make up for you having to wear what's in the bag.
Do I open the other card?
No.
Okay. But I gotta help you back out. I'll help you back out and then I'll put the mask on.
Okay, bye. Okay, so keep your eyes closed and read it out loud.
Okay. Look up. Are you super happy? Where are we?
At the zoo.
We're at the zoo.
I'm so excited.
a thousand